everyone, my name is Jungkook. Today I'm going to tell a story about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. The Bucket family members are Grandpa Joe and Grandma Josephine and Grandpa George and Grandma Georgina and Mr. Bucket and Mrs. Bucket and Charlie. This family lives in a small wooden house. Mr. Willy Wonka's factory is the biggest factory in the world. Charlie's house is located near the Wonka's factory. The Indian prince asked Mr. Wonka to build a castle made of chocolate. Mr. Wonka warns him that his chocolate castle will not stay too long. Under the story to Charlie about how brilliant Mr. Wonka is. Everyone listened to him. Now Mr. Wonka invented the chocolate and the secret workers at the factory. He announced it on the news that there will be only golden tickets underneath the candy bar. The finders are the only ones who will be allowed to visit his factory and will have a supply for the rest of their lives. The first two finders are Augustus Gloop and Veruca Salt. Augustus Gloop's hobby is eating. His mother told the news it is impossible for him not to find one. He always eats chocolate. News said it is impossible for him not to find one. He always eats chocolate. Veruca gets whatever she wants. She yells to get what she wants. Every Charlie's birthday, his parents gave him a chocolate bar. He hopefully finds the golden ticket inside, but they tell him not to expect that much. Miss Violet Burger and Miss Mike TV find the golden ticket. She is a gum chewer and could chew one gum for 3 months straight. She started to buy candy bars when she heard about golden tickets. Mark likes to watch films which bunch of gangsters are shooting up another. Grandpa Joe likes a gamble a chocolate. Wonka's Nutty Crunch surprise. His last cent hidden his purse gave him to Charlie to buy another candy bar. Mr. Bucket lost his job, so his family starts to starve. On his way home, Charlie sees a dollar bill. He uses the money to buy chocolate bar and finds the golden ticket inside. The boy that Mr. Wonka has chosen for the visit is on the first day of the month of February. Parents come to the factory and get ready to explore it. They meet Mr. Willy Wonka and welcomes them happily and excitedly. He shows them the most important room in making chocolate. The tiny men who are no longer than needs sized dolls are working at the factory. They all called Oompa Loompas. Everybody is excited to see how the chocolate is made. A boy named Augustus Gloop is greedy to drink chocolate like a dog. He fell into the chocolate river and gasped up. the pipe they go down the chocolate river and ride the bright pink glass down the chocolate river. They visit the special room, the inventing room where the everlasting gobsters. And here to free Mac. Eating gobstopper will not get smaller even you if you eat it lifetime. While eating hair toffee makes one's hair grows. They go inside the inventing room and saw the gum machine. It's very enormous and it makes different type of gums. Well, let's choose the gum and it turns into blueberry. Along the corridor there are lots of rooms where each flavor and kind of chocolates and gums. The kids look amazed of the square candies. They look round because of the faces painted on it. But Veruca and her mom don't understand it and look so foolish. Veruca demands her dad to get a trained squirrel. But Mr. Wonka doesn't sell on. So she goes down herself to get what she wants, and that gives her a terrible experience and teaches her the lesson. Mr. Wonka introduces them the great glass elevator. Its buttons are everywhere, includes words and ever on the ceiling. It's covered all over with loss. They go to chocolate television room, which the chocolates form into tiny million pieces and there is a big television in the room. Mike TV goes into the television, so he transforms into midget person. Other children are gone, and only Charlie is left. Because he is very kind, he follows introduction and has a good manner. Agatha's Violet, Mike, and Veruca are going back home. Expect Charlie. Mr. Wonka gives his chocolate factory to the winner Charlie. Charlie's family will live above tree.